Hey everyone! In honor of President's Day today, I want to show you guys how to draw a patriotic hat. Now, to start off with our hat, we're going to begin with the top. So starting up here, I want to make a nice oval shape. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a nice skinny oval at the top of my paper. Now, starting right here, I want to draw two lines going down, and I want them to go in a little bit. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes in like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go in like that. Make it a little bit longer. Now, starting here, I want to connect these with a nice little curved line, kind of like a smiley face shape that just goes from one side to the next. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to come down like this, and then it's going to curve back up here, and then kind of come down like that. Next, I want to start here, and I want to make a nice line that's just going to go all the way across here. And then as I get closer up here, I'm just going to kind of make it run right into this line. Now, starting up here, I don't want it to be touching this line. I want it to be up a little bit. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve from one side to the next. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw some nice straight lines going down, just so I can add some stripes onto the hat. Now, right here I want to make some stars. So to make a star, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a little triangle shape. And then two little lines that go out. Two lines that go in. And then kind of like a little W shape like this. So let's draw another one. Do the little triangle shape on top. Two lines that go out. Two lines that go in. And then kind of like a little W shape. Then I'm going to draw another one right over here, just like that. And there you go. There is your drawing of a patriotic hat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.